So I'm going to try to get rid of this big old puddle here. The reason this puddle is here is because I used to have it dug down to bedrock because I want to build my bottom of my cabin in down to bedrock and cement up on the sides, but I couldn't afford cement, so I had to fill it back in before winter came. And I didn't fill it in evenly, as you can see. So I just built this little trench. So let's see if this is a satisfying trench or not. I don't know. Could be, it might not be. Let's see what happens here. I just know I'm tired of these mosquitoes. And stagnant water, still water, is how they come and lay eggs. Shh. I didn't used to dig ditches for a living. It's going to take a little bit to pile up there. There's some spots where there's just too much roots, like in a cluster, and I couldn't get them out. But look how smooth that's running right down there. Look at that. Take a little creek, a little spring, a little river, whatever you want to call it. And look, it's just draining like crazy. I did this because I was tired of getting bitten by mosquitoes when I was watering some plants. Come on, let's take some of this out. A bit along here. It's running pretty fast and steady. It's almost like it was when it was thawing out. Get some little dinky cars, set them on the side, make it look like a muddin. It's pretty cool. I was hoping it would have made it to the end by now so we could have made a 3-minute short, but plowing through mud with water, I guess takes a while to do. What do? Lucky, be careful, you're gonna get hurt, girl. I just want to get the peeling logs again, and then I won't be able to get the peeling logs when I'm getting bit by 80,000 mosquitoes. There it is, the little river. Silly mosquitoes. Sorry it's over 3 minutes. I just wanted to make a short out of this. But there it is, my little river. I love you guys. Stay true to yourself and have a beautiful day.